guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best blenders and mixers. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the blenders in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best blenders on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the NutriBullet NutriBullet Pro. Pros: small yet powerful device. Cons: single servings only. Keep in mind, not everyone has the kitchen countertop space for a blender to take up full time. For gifting apartment or dorm room dwellers, get the NutriBullet Pro. It's a smallish model that's easy to store and pull out whenever it's needed. This 8-pound blender delivers serious power for its size. Technically considered a personal blender because of its single-speed setting and small 32-ounce container capacity, this NutriBullet blender can do everything that a food processor can, plus make cold drinks and small batches of dressings and dips. To operate it, just securely attach the blender top to the container, then hold it down onto the base and twist. It can also pulse when pushed down repeatedly. Our tester Scott Simone loves the NutriBullet Pro's surprising versatility and enjoys blending up pesto with it. He also says that this blender has a moderate noise level that's not too jarring. As far as accessories go, there are two 32-ounce containers included with the blender, each with its own flip-up cap for easy, on-the-go sipping. It also comes in a literal rainbow of colors to choose from, and the sub-$100 price point makes it a nice, but not too pricey, gift. Coming in at number 5, KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. Pros: includes dial control and presets. Soft start function prevents blender messes. Cons: heavy device. The position of a control dial definitely has its benefits, and that's why the KitchenAid K400 Countertop blender is such a great device. Unlike the Vitamix blenders, this model has a soft start function, so even if the dial is set to a high speed, it'll pre-mix the ingredients together slowly at first and then amp up moments later at full power. This KitchenAid model is quite hefty, and it's definitely on the louder side. Best for larger kitchens with ample counter space, the blender container is slightly cumbersome, so keep its size in mind. However, our tester Scott Simone loves the contoured shape of the container, which keeps everything flowing to the blades. This shape also makes the blender super easy to clean. Due to its size, we think this one makes a great gift for new homeowners who are looking to trick out their countertops with high-quality kitchen appliances. Coming at number 4, Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Pros: precise 10-speed dial control. Cons: small blending container. The Vitamix Explorian E310 is a great blender because it's powerful, simple to use, and highly effective. It looks almost the same as the aforementioned 520 model, except that the blending container is a much smaller 48-ounce pitcher. This blender is controlled by a dial with variable speed control among 10 settings. It also comes with a tamper that's an essential part of helping the ingredients blend evenly. Our tester Melanie Yates tested this blender by making several different blender recipes, including smoothies, soups, dressing, and oat flour. It makes achieving a smooth consistency very easy each and every time. The one drawback: it's a bit loud. On its lowest setting, the blade whirs at around 70 dBs to 95 dBs on its highest setting. However, the sound is a low-pitched whir, not high and shrill. Certain blenders can be ear-splitting, and this one isn't that bad. Overall, the Vitamix Explorian E310 blender offers nearly the same quality and amount of power as the top-of-the-line Vitamix for much less. We think it makes a fabulous gift for a solo dweller to up their cooking versatility. Its smaller size fits comfortably on a narrow countertop, too. Number 3. Vitamix 52O Blender. Best for speed precision. Pros: features easy to use dial control. Cons: expensive. Key specs: container size 64 ounces. Speeds: variable speed control among 10 levels and pulse. Watts: 1380. Vitamix blenders may have a lot of hype around them, but it's definitely warranted. What sets them apart from the pack is their industrial quality build and wattage. The Vitamix 52O blender has 1380 watts of power, meaning that at full speed, it has the ability to pulverize in seconds. Best suited for homes versus small apartments, it weighs just over 10 pounds and has a fairly sizable footprint. Subtle speed adjustments can be made using its dial, which makes the blending experience a lot smoother than toggling between two not quite right speeds. If you're gifting this to someone who makes smoothies on the regular, this blender will be a game changer for them. The blender's only included accessory is a tamper, which is a rod-shaped object that helps stir the blender's contents while in motion in case something gets stuck. Our tester Bridget Kark says, "I've been a smoothie queen since getting the Vitamix 52O. They're so much creamier than my previous blender, and the tamper is literally a life changer." She also says that this Vitamix's motor is surprisingly quiet. The Vitamix 52O can also be used to blend soup, make nut butters and non-dairy milk, knead pizza dough, and make baby food. It even acts as a food processor. Its 64-ounce blending container provides ample space for nearly anything that's on the menu. We think this blender is best to get as a gift for newlyweds who are about to start a family because its versatility will help them shift from cooking meals at home for just two to mixing up pureed meals for their baby. Coming at number 2, Ninja BL 610 Professional Countertop Blender. Best budget. Pros: large container capacity. Affordable. Cons: only 3 speeds to choose from. Key specs: container, size 72 ounces. Speeds: 3 speeds and a pulse setting. Watts: 1000. The Ninja BL 610 Professional Blender is a rare combination of value and performance. It boasts the biggest blending container of this list, which is pretty outstanding for its price. This blender is a versatile machine fit for blending, pureeing, ice crushing, and controlled food processing. Although this Ninja blender takes up a precious foot of counter space, its modern silver and black aesthetic makes it seamlessly blend into virtually any kitchen. It has only 3 speed levels, so it can't be as meticulously controlled as other models, but it does have a pulse setting to offer in between bursts for dislodging stubborn ingredients. We think that this blender is an excellent gift option for frozen drink lovers, whether their beverages of choice are smoothies or margaritas. Its sizable pitcher and automatic blending options make it a no-fuss appliance that serves up enough for multiple people to enjoy. Our tester uses this blender for smoothies that contain frozen fruit and spinach, and she notes that it can blend in just 20 seconds with only a few rogue spinach leaves left at the top of the pitcher. However, this blender does make some rumbling noise, especially when crushing ice or frozen fruit. Number 1. Ninja BN 801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. Pros: large capacity blending container. Well-designed blades provide a thorough blend. Can also be used as a food processor, juicer, coffee grinder, personal blender. Cons: not ideal for small spaces. Dough function isn't great. Key specs: container, size is 72-ounce pitcher, 64-ounce processor bowl, and 2 24-ounce to-go cups. Speeds: 3 speeds, pulse, and 5 preset functions. Watts: 1400. With intuitive controls and 4 sizable blending containers that suit a variety of drink mixing and meal prep needs, the Ninja BN 801 Professional Blender Plus Kitchen System with Auto IQ is the master of versatility and the best overall blender in this guide. It can transform from a regular blender to a juicer to a personal blender to a food processor in no time. We think that this blender is the best for experienced home cooks, since they will get the most use out of its numerous blending functions and attachments. Our tester Jane tried out each of its preset Auto IQ functions and manual speeds over the course of a week, and she found that this Ninja blender really shines when making big batches, liquefying soft produce, and chopping up solid ingredients and stringy herbs. Its cyclone-shaped blades do a great job of evenly incorporating everything added to the blending pitcher, and the 1,400-watt motor provides the power to blend or puree ingredients without an issue. Just keep in mind that it's also a loud device. In her review of the Ninja Professional Blender, she says, "Overall, I was surprised at how easy it makes the whole blending process. It's not a device that you'll ever feel the need to upgrade or graduate from because it gives you pretty much everything you could want." The only struggle she had with this device was using the dough function, which she says blended at a speed that was just too high, making it the one feature that leaves room for improvement. Other than that, the device is an all-in-one wonder. All of the parts are also dishwasher safe. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best blenders. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.